Folks, we start tonight with a look at the First Warn 5 Doppler network going back to late this afternoon and going up to current. And if you go back to just before 5 o'clock, you'll see showers fire up in Cameron County, especially just to the west of Harlingen, right there. Pretty good rain up to west of Raymondville and then moving northward from there. Some showers lingering to the north of us, but then that's been about it. Here's Doppler estimated rainfall for today, and you can see the showers were much more miss than hit, but those that did get hit got some pretty good rain, especially just to the west of Raymondville and Lyford. Doppler indicates about 1 1/3 inches, 1.3 inches in that area. West side of Harlingen got some pretty good rain, but officially just kind of southwest of Harlingen, just under 1/2 inch. Same thing down close to Los Indios, but again, very isolated. Go 2 to 3 miles either direction from where the rain fell, and there was nothing at all. So just a brief shower, but put down some pretty good rain in a couple of spots. These are the current temperatures across Texas tonight. State capital's at 86. San Antonio's at 85, 88 in Dallas at this hour. A lot of moisture still out in the Gulf of Mexico, and the stuff that was over us fading away, but the models continue to push scattered showers into our area again tomorrow. Like today, more mist than hit, but it's one of those days where you could pick up a brief shower in 1 or 2 spots, and if you do, it could be a quick 1/2 inch like what we saw today. Big Ridge is still in control, but there's a little bit of a breakdown on the southern side of that, an indentation in it, if you will, and that's allowing some tropical moisture to sneak up into South Texas, giving us that slightly increased chance for showers. We go into Thursday, and the ridge begins to kind of flex a little bit, change its shape. You notice that tropical moisture is gone. Can't completely rule something out on Thursday, but I think by Friday we can pretty much rule anything out. And by then, we're just hot and dry. The ridge takes control, kind of expands and covers most of Texas, covers the valley, covers parts of northern Mexico. So rain becomes scarce again over our region over the weekend. Next week, the models are hinting at some kind of a boundary coming down from the north through the middle part of Texas. It'll cool off part of Texas a little bit, make it a little less hot. That boundary getting to us, though, in July, pretty unlikely. In the meantime, take a look. Rain chances, about a 10% chance tomorrow. We're down to about 5% on Thursday. Dry through the weekend, and then we ramp the chances up to 20% by Tuesday of next week. The normal high this time of year, the 30-year average, is 96, and that's where we'll be next Tuesday. But between now and then, we go all the way up to 102 over the weekend, and then we step back down by early next week. Gulf of Mexico, pretty quiet. We got this stuff just offshore from here. That'll move inland over the next 24 hours. Caribbean is quiet. The Atlantic, very quiet as well. Not much going on out there tonight. So for us, 79, mainly clear and humid. Tomorrow we're back up to 98 again with showers in 1 or 2 spots. Not widespread, but there'll be a few showers around. You'll see that big cloud off on the horizon if you're not underneath it. 98, 99, 101, 102. We hold there, then we come back down for next week. So the temperatures peak just in time for the weekend. Nighttime lows for the most part, upper 70s, right near 80 degrees. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.